Hello, Ninja Warriors. I know that you have seen the title How to Get into Your Dream College, IIT Madras, without even appearing for JEE Mains or Advanced. Okay, all right. So, in this video, we will talk about the reality of the courses which are offered by IIT Madras, which can be done without the JEE examination. So, these are the courses that is BS, not BSc. BS in data science, BS in electronic system, and BS in medical sciences and engineering. Okay, so in this video we will talk about in detail the placements related to this particular course, the process of this particular course, the curriculum, the structure of this particular course, important dates related to this course like the date of application, the course start date and everything, and the fee structure of this particular course as well. And you know that placements, I know that you would be waiting for the placements parts that we will be discussing in the very end. So stay tuned till the very end of this video. Okay, all right, so let's start. Now let me just give you one important information that these courses are not in campus or offline courses, but these courses are the online courses. Yes, you would be doing all the courses online. So you would be getting the login details and everything from the IIT Madras College Institute, but these would be purely online. Okay, so the very first course which is in huge demand, that is BS in data science. But before I get into details, let me tell you the average salary of data science. I'm talking about the fresher salary is 12 lakh per annum, right? I'm talking about the average salary overall in India, 12 lakh per annum, right? Average. Okay, median would be the much more salary. Okay, so data science is some course which is in boom right now. So yes, you would be getting from IIT Madras first 4-year Bachelor of Science, BSS Bachelor of Science degree in data science and applications. Okay, all right, and yes, there is something which there is a twist over here. So what you can do is you don't have to just complete the whole degree. If you want to leave this degree in between, so you can just leave either in foundation or in diploma, or you can complete the degree as well. That I'll be telling you later. But this is a 4-year Bachelor of Science course over here. Okay, and I have already told you about the data science as well. Now let me just tell you that there are two ways to enter in this particular course. The very first way is with JEE, that we will talk later, but I'm going to talk about without JEE, that is the regular entry. So regular entry, there is a qualifier process which you can see over here. What is the qualifier process? So for qualifier process, you have to appear for 4 weeks of coursework that is going to be online. Okay, so that means they are going to teach you. So once you register, so they will start teaching you. So they will teach you in 4 weeks, right? And they will provide lecture videos and assignments on this particular topics. You can clearly see that English, mathematics for data science, and statistics for data science. This is completely different from what you have studied in 11th and 12th, right? And computational thinking as well. So these are the topics that you would be going through in 4 weeks. And after that, every week you have to submit the assignment and you will be getting a grading, right? At the end of 4 weeks. 4 weeks, that is almost a month. So after almost a month, a qualifying exam will be there, will be scheduled, will be conducted for eligible candidates. Eligible means, so you have to submit the regular assignments, and once you are done with that, so you have to give that exam, and once you qualify that exam, then you will be on the course. You will be eligible to sit in that course of BS in data science. Okay, now to pass the qualifier exam, now you must be wondering again, ma'am, we have to give exams. So now what is the difference like? So the difference is actually, so once you have achieved minimum score of 40%, there is no such cutoff. If you have scored minimum 40%, then you are in the course, right? So whether majority of students are clearing the cutoff, they will be inside the course. Okay, all right. And this is for general, and if you fall under these 3 categories, so you can see 30 and 35% per course in each course, right? So there are multiple courses. So in each courses you have to score this particular marks okay, to get into that, okay. And overall you have to score 50% marks if you are in the general category, okay. All right, now again I'm talking about the regular entry, that means without J. So now once you are actually done with the qualifier examination, right, so what you can do is you will be eligible for the foundation level. So the course will start with foundation level. And if you feel that okay, I want to exit with the foundation level, so you will get a foundation certificate, right. This is very different, because what happens usually in colleges, in offline colleges, is okay, you have to complete the 4-year degree. Even if you finish 2 years, then you won't get anything. You are a dropout student. But here, if you want to drop out, still you are getting foundation level if you complete. This is 1 year. Foundation level means 1 year. So second year, after second year, if you feel like dropping out, so you can still do it and you can exit with the diploma certification. Okay, this is diploma in programming. And after 3 years, if you feel like okay, now it's 3 years, I want to exit, so you are going to get diploma in programming again. So again, the second diploma. And once you are finished, no, you feel like no, I want to finish all the 4-year course, so now you will be getting a BS degree in data science from IIT Madras. But you must be wondering, ma'am, this particular course will be online course, right? But I want to go to the college. So I will tell you, in the end, I will tell you the hack of this, that even if you want to go to some college, you can still do it, okay. And yeah, so this is the second course, BS in electronic system. Again, this is also very huge growing demand. There is also huge demand in this particular domain, electronic system, okay. All right, so the courses will be a little bit different. You can clearly see that maths for electronics will be taught to you. Same process is same, but the course, the 4 week of coursework will be different. The qualifier exam will be different. But again, the same thing will be applicable for this particular course as well, electronic system as well, okay. All right, so again, the course structure will be a little different from what we have seen in data science, okay. Now you must be wondering, what is the important date over here? So clearly you can see that so application form is live on the website. I'll show you right away. But let me just tell you, the last date is 26th May to apply, right? Upcoming batch, last date is 26th May. And once you have applied, so qualifier phase 1, phase week 1. So this will start in May 31st, okay. So I have already told you that there will be one month of that coursework. So after 1 month, you will be giving a qualifying examination. So from that point of view, I would say that you will be done with your majority of exams. Some of you must be targeting BITSAT, some of you must be targeting UGEE, some of you must be targeting JEE Advanced as well. So you will be done with those examination over here, so that you can just relax and nicely prepare for this particular. Now let me show you in the website over here. So you can see applications open for May 2024 batch, and it closes. So before this date, please do not wait for the last date. If you feel like that, okay, ma'am, we want to go for it, so do it right away. And exam date is 7 July, okay. All right, so there are new details. You can see for more details, you can click for fee structure, you can see. So let's click on for more details, right? So this is the important dates, you can clearly see. Now one more interesting thing. So this is May 2024 batch, and this is September 2024 batch. So there is another batch in 2024. So you can just do this later on as well. Let me just talk about this particular upcoming batch. So yes, application form closes, though before 26 you have to apply. Then qualifier phase 1. Phase week 1 starts 31st May. By then you must be done with your majority of your examination. Qualifier exam date Sunday 7th July, and results will be there July 12th, okay. So once you are done with that, yeah. So application process, yes. Application fees. Now if you are general or OBC applicant, 3,000 is the application fee. And if you are a category student, so you can see the respective application fees as well. Okay, now I was telling you about 2 types of entry. Regular entry, that means without JEE, but JEE based entry. So if you have qualified for JEE Advanced, you don't have to appear for that qualifier coursework. You directly get the entry in foundation level. That means that, what does that mean? that if you have qualified for your JEE Advanced examination, na, that means you have tag of IIT Madras. You just have to register and appear for that course. You directly getting into IIT Madras. Okay. All right. So yes, regular entry, I have already told you. Qualifier preparation, qualifier exam, 4 weeks of study is there. The minimum average percentage and everything, it is given in the website. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So, and this is all about JEE based entry, and yes, we are here till the end. Now, fee structure, let me talk about the fee structure. Okay, let us click on the fee structure. So, fee structure is something like that. Okay, all right. So, yes, if you wish that I just need a certification, 1 year certification from IIT Madras, you just pay 32,000, take exit from foundation course. If you feel no, I want a 2-year program from IIT Madras, so foundation plus 1 diploma, 3-year program, foundation plus 2 diploma, this is the fees, and all 4-year, if you finish it off in 4-year, you get the BS degree, and the course is nothing but 3,51,000. This is the free. This is the fee. Now, you must be wondering that will we get some discount or some scholarships? Yes, based on your family income, you can still get some fees waiver over here. So if you're general category and if your family income is greater than 5 lakhs per annum, you won't get any waiver. But if your family income is lying between 1 to 5, then you can still get some waiver. And if your family income is even less than 1 lakh per annum, so you will get 75 tuition fee waiver. Okay, all right. And same goes now, if this is actually very important and interesting, if you are lying under these 3 categories, even if you are lying under greater than 5 lakh per annum, you will still get 50% of the waiver, and this is 75% for this plus this. Okay, all right. So this is the course fee structure, and now I was about to tell you that what should we do, because this is an online course. So there are actually 2 options for you. There are 2 options for you. I would highly recommend. What you can do is you can just appear for this IIT Madras examination, and you just clear it and go for the degree program. Okay, all right, that is, and parallelly what you can do is you can just select your college as well, offline college. So in that case, you would be in win-win situation. You would be completing an offline degree and an online degree, so you would be getting that IIT Madras tag that will help you in your basically career journey. Okay, all right, that is first option. Second option is very deadly option, I'm gonna tell you. Second option, yes, but before that, let us talk about the placements. Yes, so even if it is an online course, they will still be helping you in your internships and placements. So it is complete portal. You can just check out this portal and you can just click on students. So this is your portal wherein you can just apply in certain companies. They will assist you in placements. Okay, so there is a good news, and the courses they are offering is high in demand in the industry. So you will definitely get some good company, some good opportunity once you finish the course. And the last thing which I was about to tell you, yes. So yes, let me just switch to my PPT. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So if you feel like, okay, ma'am, this is a very good option. So what you can do is you can just secure your seat in this online program. And parallelly, what you can do is you can just take drop. If you are considering a drop as an option and you are worried that, okay, maybe what if I just next year also, maybe I don't get a good percentile, right? Because you have your 1 year at stake. So my suggestion would be just take this course of IIT Madras. Online courses there, because you have one thing in your hand, okay, that is going on. And then what you can do is you can just take the drop as well. And we are having a GOAT batch. Now you must be wondering, what is GOAT? Greatest of all time batch, right, for JEE 2025 aspirants. And this is applicable for class 12th as well. If you are in class 12th, then also you can just register for this particular batch. You can see that this batch is actually happening in amazing price, 2,999, and it is only valid till tomorrow. Yes, so complete class 11th and 12th syllabus will be there in 6 months. Can you see? Only in 6 months. And guess what? Who would be teaching you? So here are the details of the teacher who would be teaching you in this particular batch. And let me just tell you, this 2999 offer is only till 3rd May 1 p.m. After that, you actually will have to pay 4999. That is the original price of this particular batch. So link is given in the description box, and I hope that this information is helping you in some or the other way. And if not, you can pass on this information with all those students who are in need. Okay, so this is me, Namrata, signing off. I'll see you all super soon in the next video.